Jamaican dinners. Enjoy. Add 2 tablespoons of mixed spice. Mixed spice. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm adding all the dry ingredients in one bowl. So 2 tablespoons on this. 3 tablespoons of baking powder. 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Add 1 pound of flour, all-purpose flour. 1 pound. Add all the dry ingredients. Then slowly sieve. Let it wait until we're ready for it. Okay, this is me cutting out grease paper. So I just mark it like that. So I'm gonna cut within the ink, cut on the inside. If you have a sharp scissors, that would be even better. This scissors, these are scissors I use for other things. Can't tell you what I use it for. So now to the flour mix, we're gonna add our butter and sugar mix. you go. Just take time, do it slowly. As it gets thicker, you put up the paste. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use a spoon for a little while, just to work it in. My mom used to cook and sell. She used to work at the hospital, so she would bake almost every evening when she comes home, and I would see her bake. I don't have no reason to bake, so I'm just baking because I'm used to it. And it's Christmas. You want your, look at that, you want your paste to look like that. This is a Christmas cake, so it's going to be a little bit thicker. And you can taste it to see if you're on the right track. This tastes good. So you just work that in. Your oven should be already on preheat, 250. Alright, that's good enough. So now, add the fruits. I'm gonna add it some at a time. I'm not adding it all at once. I wanna see how it. Wow, it looks nice. Because it looked good. Because when I was putting this recipe together, you know, I said, all this raisin. But I said, you know what? From baking, just follow the recipe, you can't go wrong. So that's it. So we're gonna use some cherry. We're gonna use about half pound of cherry, but we're gonna add it in the end. And just fold it in. Fold it in. You know, you have to use a mixer for this, you know. It feels good with this spoon. Just find a spoon that you feel comfortable with and work it. See, look at the mixer. That's it for mixers. Oh shit. Whoops. This tastes awesome. So this is it. Let's make sure it's mixed thoroughly. It's not a regular cake, so it's not gonna run creamy, but look at it. Alright. So that's that. You don't want it to sit too long because the egg will make the thing get raw. So as soon as you can, put it in the oven. Well, this is cherry. American cherry, really. I never did like American cherry, but that's American cherry. And you want to just cut it up a little. Not too much, just barely cut them. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Just chop them up a little. Just gotta be patient. That's the thing with art, you know. You gotta be a patient person to do art. It doesn't matter what kind of art. I always said that I'm a person of art. So, art is where I earn from. So, you just want to chop it up like that. As much as you can. So now, with the grease pan, you just pour some of these at least halfway they can. That look about good. Don't do that. Just do this. Because now you're going to take some of the chopped cherry and just put on the surface. Alright. Let me just work it. Make sure we do this to prevent the bubbles within the thing. But to look at this, I don't think no bubbles is in it. So from this batch I got 4 cakes. I got the 8.5 and 3 7.5. So now we're going to, the recipe asks for 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So there they are. I'm going to set the oven at 1 hour and 20 minutes for now. We're going to watch it. I don't know if you can see, but this is what it look like after 40 minutes. Don't ever open the oven. Just let the oven stay closed. So we're going to check this. So I'm going to stick it like that. See, it's dry. So apparently this is ready. I want to make sure now. So this is a small one. So now you're going to use a toothpick and kind of juke it up. Juke it up. Like that. Color this. And this is half cup of wine. Any red wine. This is red label wine still. And you just do like that. And just base it. 1 cup of wine. The base in it. And I want it. Jamaican.